everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a really simple, delicious, and somewhat healthy dessert using the peach. We're making baked peaches today.
So it's really very simple. We're going to take the peach, we're not going to peel it, we're going to leave the skin on, twist it, let's get the pit out, push that to the side. And I want to show you something. This is a better example. See this red stuff inside the peach? We want to get rid of that because during the baking process, that red stuff, it can kind of cause some bitterness and we don't want that. So we're going to scrape that out of the insides of these peaches. Now we're going to take our peaches and we're going to put them in a baking pan. This just happens to be a pie plate that I pulled out. Any baking pan will do. And in here I have a mixture. It's 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And all we're going to do is sprinkle that on top of each of the peaches. Now normally this recipe calls for a half of a tablespoon of butter in each peach, and I tried it out with the butter, and honestly I don't think it needs it. I think the juices from the peach really are going to do the trick. So I don't think I'm going to use all of this brown sugar and cinnamon mixture, but just enough to give it each peach a nice coating before we pop them into the oven. Easy so far. 4 peaches sliced, de-pitted, and a sprinkling of brown sugar and cinnamon. That's it. Now we're going to bake these at 325 for about 30 minutes. See you in a bit. Here we go, everybody, out of the oven. And I don't know if you can see, but the juices of the peach have really come through, which is why I didn't really think we needed the butter. Now I know they're not going to be winning a beauty contest anytime soon, but we're going to dress these up. We're going to let them cool for a little bit, and then we're going to put on a big, huge scoop of vanilla ice cream, sprinkle it with a little cinnamon. Yummy. I said mostly healthy. The peach part is healthy. Ice cream, maybe not so much, but it's going to be delicious. So this could be dessert for 4, it could be dessert for 2, depending on how you want to do it. And we're going to get some ice cream here. Oh, now we're talking. It's got a little pinch of cinnamon on here. Even better. Oh, yum. There you have it. A beautiful baked peach topped with vanilla ice cream and a little bit of cinnamon. Let's get a closer look here. Yum. Let's try it. Get the ice cream, get the peach. Whoop. The tartness of the peach and the sweetness of the brown sugar and cinnamon, perfect together. And then you get a creamy element from the ice cream. Delicious. This is such a quick and easy dessert. Comes together in no time. Really, the longest thing is the baking time, which is 30 minutes at 325. And then just a little bit of cooling time before you put that ice cream on. Thanks for watching, everyone, as we made our baked peaches with ice cream. I really, really appreciate all my subscribers, and I love reading your comments and responding. It's your support that really keeps me going. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.